Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI Farmers Wing, has expressed serious objection to organizing SANGAI festival this year, stating that the present situation in the state is not suitable for such celebrations. According to the press release by COCOMI Farmers Wing convener A.B. Ilangbab, the ongoing crisis that has lasted for over 3 years has severely affected the lives of people across different parts of Manipur. Many families have lost their homes to arson and are currently taking shelter as internally displaced persons, IDPs, at various relief camps. Large tracts of farmland remain uncultivated, and farmers have been unable to carry out agricultural activities for 3 consecutive years. In many areas, essential farming lands have turned barren due to flooding and absence of maintenance. The statement pointed out that business activities and normal operations in various sectors are facing difficulties due to restriction of movement along National Highway No. 2. COCOMI Farmers Wing stated that organizing the SANGAI festival at this juncture, amid the hardship and loss faced by farmers and displaced families, is highly insensitive.